Hey, welcome back to the channel. Exciting video today. I just picked up an exhaust for my car. I was hesitant on doing it just because I didn't want to spend a lot of money. It's right behind me. It is a used exhaust. Let me just switch lanes. It is a used exhaust, but it's almost brand new. The guy only used it for a couple months. He's selling his car, so he took it off and I got it for a great deal. I'll tell you guys at the end of the video how much I picked it up for. And he also throw in an aftermarket rear diffuser on the deal because I have this stock one on my car. He's not sure if it'll fit with the stock one. I'm not sure either, but the one he gave me looks definitely better, so I'm gonna be installing that one. Right now I'm driving back home. The drive was about 2.5 hours to pick this up. I'm halfway back to my house, and as soon as I get home I'm gonna put the car on the ramps because I'm gonna take my diffuser off, put the new one in, and I'm gonna take the car to a shop. The exhaust, it's a clamp exhaust. But you do have to cut yours, and I don't have anything at home to cut it, so I'm gonna take it to a shop so they can cut it and then mount the new exhaust in. This is an Axle Back Remus exhaust. A lot of people do cat back all the way back, but I'm just gonna do that one, see how it sounds. If I don't like it, maybe I'll remove a resonator or a mid muffler in between just to make it a little bit louder. But for now, that's all I'm gonna be doing, and I will do it before and after before I head to the shop because there's not many videos out there with a stock exhaust and then the Axle Back Remus as a comparison pretty much. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put the camera down now, drive home, and once I get home I'm gonna go ahead and start recording how to remove the diffuser. I don't know if there's a lot of videos online, but if there is, I'm just gonna record it so you guys can see as well how to replace the diffuser on this car. All right, I'm home. I'm about to start doing that. I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see. I already got the car on the ramps, so it's pretty much all ready to go. It only has a few bolts, and then everything else is just clips. So you're gonna need this to make sure you don't break anything. I believe the bolts are like 8mm or even smaller, but I'm just gonna use this because they're very small. And as you can see, you have one right here and then just a few underneath. That's about it. Pretty simple. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna work on this. I'm trying to pretty much remove it as soon as possible, that way I can go to the shop and take care of the exhaust today. I just want to see how it sounds, so let me put you guys down and I'll show you. I mean, if there's anything specific or special about this, I'll put the camera up again and show you exactly what you have to do, but it seems pretty straightforward, so I'm gonna get to work on that and I'll see you guys in a minute. So I figure I'll put the camera up real quick just so you guys can see. This is what I'm using for this, and technically this is right inside, and you just pull it in, do a little bit of pressure and pull, and it clips and it pops right out. So it's a very simple process. I'm not even 5 minutes in, and the rear diffuser is it's about to be out. So very simple process. All diffusers out. Let me show you this, because after you take all the clips on the top out, it's pretty much loose and ready to go, but right underneath down here it has some other clips that you have to take out from the inside. Let me show you. So it's this one's here, but I use right here. I use the same tools that I was using, and it popped out. You just put it in between here, do a little bit of pressure, and it pops out extremely easy. I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one now. I think it's just clip it in, put the bolts underneath. It's like a 10-15 minute job, so very easy. Not difficult at all. You need pretty much 2 tools and that's it. I'm running into a little bit of an issue. The stock tailpipes, they don't fit. As you can see, it's hitting here. So I'm gonna actually take this diffuser out, drive the car to the shop like this without any diffuser. Once they cut the stock exhaust, I'm gonna clip it in. I'm gonna take the bolts, everything with me, and before they mount the other exhaust, I'm then gonna put it back on so it would actually fit properly the way it's supposed to do. So let me go ahead and head to the shop. I would record a little bit over there if I can. If not, I will show you once I get back home and everything is buttoned up pretty much all together. Car is done. It's been like 2 days. It got really late on me, so I didn't record the other day when I finished the install. Let me flip the camera, show you guys how it looks like. Now for looks, it's definitely worth it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, not really loud. It's barely louder than a stock. It does look amazing, to be honest with you, especially with the carbon fiber, as you can see down there. That diffuser obviously doesn't come with it, but I got it as a package deal from the person that sold it to me. But for 2100s, I looked it up on the website, and it's 2100 for the system. I mean, for 2100, you would think it would sound amazing. I mean, it sounds good, don't get me wrong, but not $2100 expensive. You know, it just sounds a little bit nicer, a little bit louder. No pops on the exhaust. I am completely stuck. I'm sitting inside the car because it's windy outside. I don't want the video to have like bad quality. But is it worth the $2100? I don't think so, to be honest with you. If you want the quad tip look, it's go for it. Now for sound, I think no. I think you're better off by doing the mid mufflers and going that way than spending that much money for an axle back. I'm actually gonna go back to the shop next week, which that's gonna be another video, and I'm going to remove one of the resonators, well, the mid mufflers, whatever you guys call that. I don't want to do both because with this exhaust already became a little bit louder, and I don't want it to be obnoxious, but I don't think like it sounds that good. Now in camera, because I already recorded a video at home real quick, it sounds like it's brutal, but in person it's kind of quiet. That's the truth. So I'm gonna end the video with stock sound, you know, the stock exhaust clip, and then right after that I'm gonna play with this one on the back. I'm actually gonna put you guys on the tripod, and that's gonna be it for the video. Most likely there will be a follow-up video in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, because I will be taking the car back to the shop. I think I'm gonna remove one of the mid mufflers in the middle, just because, you know, it looks aggressive. I want it to sound a little bit aggressive too, and honestly it doesn't really sound that aggressive at all. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna leave you guys with a quick clip of stock and aftermarket. Again, this is the Remus, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is the Remus Axle Back, not cab back. Cab back is a big difference. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.